If you are looking for a cleaner, healthier drinking water right from your kitchen, this iSpring water system is a top tier choice, and here is a why. This is a 6-stage reverse osmosis system that's NSF, NC58 and 372 certified, meaning it tested and proven to reduce over 1000 contaminants including chlorine, fluoride, lead, PFS and even heavy metals like cadmium and chromium. It removes up to 98% of total dissolved solids, so you are getting crisp and clear water every time. What sets this system apart is the alkaline remineralization stage, which adds essential minerals back into your water and balance the pH, giving it the fresh, natural spring water taste. The patented top-mounted faucet design makes installation way easier. You can set it up from above the countertop, so no more crawling under the sink trying to tighten things in cramped space. I also love the transparent first stage filter housing, which lets you actually see when it's time to change. No guessing I needed. Installation is super DIY friendly with quick fitting connection, a clear instruction manual, and helpful step by step videos. Even if you are never installed a water filter before, this one is easy to manage. And the best of all, iSpring offer a lifetime tech support so you can get expert help when you need it. With convenient filter set replacement available in 6 months, 1 year, 2 year and 3 year kits. This system is designed for long-term peace of mind. It clean, great testing water is a priority in your home. This iSpring system is absolutely worth it.